No one wants to contribute to the human atrocities occurring in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Dodd-Frank Section 1502 has made this crisis visible to your customers, investors, and employees. The rule requires all manufacturers to trace the smelter source of gold, tantalum, tin, and tungsten, referred to as conflict minerals, used in their products. The objective is to determine and report to the SEC in public if they are indirectly funding armed groups that mine conflict minerals. How can the vast amounts of supply chain data be processed and analyzed? Automate the process with GreenStatus Pro's Ingestor service. It will simplify your life. GreenStatus Pro's Ingestor digitally validates your supplier's reasonable country of origin inquiry reports, consolidates the thousands of smelters reported in your supply chain, and identifies smelters which have been audited and found not to purchase conflict minerals from armed groups. GreenStatus Pro does this with speed, accuracy, affordability, and world-class security. Time is running out to meet the May 31st SEC reporting deadline. Success requires overcoming poor and incomplete information, insufficient supplier communications, and the challenges of aggregating and consolidating big data. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. GreenStatus Pro's Ingestor can do in minutes what would take otherwise weeks to do manually. Recognizing this, GreenStatus Pro is offering our technology in a service package to meet the challenging conflict minerals requirements. Let Ingestor do all the heavy lifting. You simply provide your supplier's smelter sourcing reports, and GreenStatus Pro will validate the data and deliver critical, aggregated, and consolidated conflict minerals reports within 2 business days. The most important of these is the Consolidated Smelter Report, which consolidates smelter lists by eliminating duplicates. It is not unusual for Ingestor to reduce customer smelters from over 20,000 to a few hundred, saving them hundreds of hours. Ingestor classifies every smelter as CFSI conflict-free compliant or not. Ingestor also generates a smelter by supplier report, an aggregated declarations report, and a supplier validation report. For each customer, GreenStatus Pro uploads its supplier's smelter reports to our Ingestor application running on IBM's cloud in their Dallas data center. Ingestor identifies errors in the reports and creates customer-specific databases mapping the supply chain smelter sources. Auditable conflict minerals reports can now be generated on demand. With IBM as a partner, we provide our customers with a SaaS solution: secure, available, accessible, and swift. Ingestor's technology is 500 times faster than manual methods, delivering your reports at a fraction of the cost estimated by the National Association of Manufacturers. Ingestor also eliminates human error with rules-based digital verification. We have teamed with IBM Software to provide best-in-class security with exclusive company databases and encrypted multi-layered security. GreenStatus Pro mitigates enterprise risk and helps protect your brand reputation. To learn more about Ingestor, try it for free by going to greenstatuspro.com. If you have an immediate requirement, call Ted Shediak at 617-869-3424.